At Leap Family Law, we are always looking for ways to provide law firms with value beyond the software, including offering lawyers opportunities to claim CPD. The Family Law Forum is our flagship education-first platform developed exclusively for family lawyers using Leap. Forum members can enhance their day-to-day practice with access to webinars, on-demand recordings, case summaries, legal articles, videos, and guides, many of which may be eligible for CPD. Leap Family Law also runs events throughout the year, featuring practical sessions on topics relevant to your practice, as well as workshops designed to help you quickly get up to speed with new features and more efficient ways of working. Lastly, the lawyers in the Family Law team produce a weekly podcast called This Week in Family Law, delivering bite-sized family law updates, analysis of topical issues and case notes, and answers to questions from fellow lawyers, helping you stay updated without the overwhelm. It's important to check with your state's law society to confirm what can be claimed for CPD, but Leap Family Law makes your ongoing professional development easy.